Hello! So what I have in front of me and what I'm going to be talking about in this video is the Ion one stroke, so what is that, 1 inch? Yeah, 1 inch ceramic digital styling flat iron. It's a iron with perpetual heat. So let me go ahead and talk about it. So anyway, this was on sale, and one thing I can say is, though, my mom's hair is really thick. I have big hair, but hers is a little bit thicker than mine. The only thing about this flat iron is that when I used on her hair, her roots, it was straight, but it wasn't like bone straight, but it was straight. Like, you can wear your hair down, but it looked good. But on mine, it looked good too. So anyway, I'm just gonna talk about how you use it right quick, and then I'm gonna turn it off. So just don't heat up this floor rug. So anyway, so the on button is right here. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, I don't think you can see it. Let me see if it has it on here on the back of the box. No. Okay, so maybe you can see it now. That is the power button. So you just turn it on once. You don't have to, do a double tap, whatever. To heat it up, there's the button right here to, level up, and then to level it back down. And it will blink to let you know that it's heating up. And then once it's like steady, just like that, it'll stay just like that. I know on a 300 it's green. And in this pamphlet right here, it actually tells you what temperature should have the flat iron with your hair type. So like, for instance, it's pretty cool to let you know, so you don't like damage your hair, especially if you have curls or if you're relaxed or anything. You're not applying so much heat on your hair. So for hair types, for fine chemical process or fragile hair, you want to keep it at 200 to 250. Easy to straighten normal hair, you want to keep it to 300 through 350. And with my mom, I had it pretty much around 350. I didn't go to 400, even though she has very thick and she has wavy hair. I actually keep it at 350 because I'm very cautious on my hair, just because I've seen a lot of stylists use that 400, but with me, I'm very particular since I'm starting back on my natural hair care journey. And then anyway, so it gives you tips on how straighten the hair and how to create curls in your hair. Also, how to clean and how to use it and stuff like that. So I thought this was amazing for them to have a pamphlet like this. You don't really find it too often for them to tell you stuff like that. So let me go ahead and turn it off. And that's it. You just got to press one button on it. More information about this. So it's with ceramic plates, and this lady actually told me that's like one of the best plates to use, especially if you have curly hair. It's a 360 degree swivel tangle free cord, so with 9 feet, which is good, so you don't feel like it's so short. So the ultra fast, it heats up in just 30 seconds, so it's a 30-second wait, and a heat recovery in 6 to 8 seconds. Maximum straightening, and minimize heat damage. So like I said before, especially for curly heads out there and wavy heads out there, and curl and coils and all that good stuff. It maintains a consistent temperature from root to tip for faster and easier straightening. And with ceramic plates, emit negative ions and far infrared heat, delivering shiny and healthier hair. Trying to see if it's okay. Yeah, alright, so I was making sure. That's one of my questions. I'm really concerned off. Okay, so with auto, shut off in 2 hours. I'm trying to combine auto and shut. Lord, it's early in the morning. Okay, anyway, with auto, shut off in 2 hours. So suppose you forgot to turn off the flat iron in 2 hours, you're good. Just make sure wherever you have your flat iron, it's just away from a lot of stuff that ain't gonna catch on fire. But yeah, I mean, I do like this flat iron. I really don't have any complaints by it. And our ion is good anyway, so. And I've already told you all about to 400 to 450. So yeah, it heats up to 450. And this is on 1 inch as well. I mean, I absolutely love it. I don't have any complaints from this flat iron. It's really easy to use. You know, you take a comb or a flat iron. I mean, flat iron. You take a comb, and if you choose to, this is what I do. I have a comb in my left hand, and I had a flat iron in my right. And as I'm combing it, you know, just straightening down. It's actually kind of hot now, so and I turn it off. Okay. And these are the ceramic plates. So one thing I also want to mention is that if you ever feel as though your flat iron is snagging your hair, this is what I've been told. Your flat iron is actually old. It's gone. It's dead. It's just, you need a new. So yeah, that's what she actually told me, and I haven't felt any snags from this flat iron. Neither has my mom. So that is a win-win for both of us. And it's good. I mean, I know I'm sounding like there's a complaint, but no, it's just early in the morning. I love it. You know, have a good heat protector, and then a nice little gloss shine afterwards. Oh, you are good. So yeah, again, this is the Ion 1 stroke, and you see the temperatures right there. So yeah, thumbs up for Ion. Yay!